guys, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. My name is May. Today I have a Polene unboxing video for you guys. I have two pieces from them in my current collection and this is actually my third piece that I will be adding. I will be getting into the unboxing in the beginning of the video, but I did want to let you know that stay tuned until the remainder of the video because I have a ton of clips that I was actually able to get from my recent trip over to Paris. I did want to go ahead and record clips with as many of the pieces as they had out displayed at that point. Keep in mind the boutique was extremely busy while we were there, so there will be people popping in on the sides, people walking behind me. I was trying to kind of get as many clips as I could in a corner, but obviously it's not like I had the boutique to myself. Hopefully one day Polene would like to collaborate with me and we can work on something like that. But for this video in particular, I just needed to kind of step aside and share with you guys how the pieces kind of laid on my body and sort of like the colors so you can get an idea. Hopefully find this video helpful if you are considering adding a new piece or just adding another piece into your collection from this fashion house. Now getting into the good stuff, and that is my newest little addition from Polene into my collection. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and reveal her and we can get right into a little story time, of course. So she does come in a beautiful box, bag, and all that good stuff. But you guys know I never bring my boxes or my bags when I shop overseas. I just bring the dust bag and the goodie inside. So here we have the Polene Number 9 or Numero 9 in the size mini. You guys, she's so cute. She is so adorable. I love this little silhouette. My sister-in-law and I actually call her the dumpling because she definitely gives off dumpling vibes, but in the best way possible. I opted for this beautiful color, which is the color taupe. I don't have anything like this in my current collection, so I wanted to add something like this, especially now for fall and winter. I tend to switch out my black summer clothes for my black fall and winter clothes, so I know that she will suit perfectly into my wardrobe year-round, and that is something that I'm really excited about. I also just gotta say that this silhouette just caught my eye so much. I think it's so unique, which is one of the main reasons why I shop from Polene. I feel like not only are their styles different, but they're also very classic in order for you to incorporate into your personal style. So this one here, I just thought was so much fun. In order to wear casually or even handheld or in the crook of your arm if I did want to dress it up for like a night out. Really quick, let's go over the handbag itself. So as you can see, she does have a top handle here. It is not removable or adjustable. It just pretty much sits like so. She also does come with a thin, removable and adjustable strap, which that is amazing. And I actually really like that it is a thin strap. Since the bag is on the smaller size, I felt like if they would have added a chunkier strap, it would have taken away from the bag itself. So I'm really glad that they opted to go for a thinner strap. It does have gold hardware all throughout, which I personally love on this color bag. And throughout all of the hardware, you do have Polene embossed really nicely and subtly on it. So that's a great detail that they went ahead and added there. The interior of this bag is in a fabric lining and it does not have any interior pockets. It also doesn't have any feet in the bottom, which I totally am okay with. And I think that is pretty much it. So as I said, this is the Number 9 mini and in the color taupe. I don't know if I mentioned that already. I have to say the color that you see in person and the color that's on the website is completely different. So it's actually so funny that I opted to do this video because you guys will definitely see some of the bags that I chose and the colors. I'll make sure to add the color name on the screen just so you guys have like a reference for them. As of right now, I can't give you any thoughts in regards of the bag because I have yet to actually use her. The only thing that I do see that can be a little bit of an issue is the opening, and I have heard that from previous reviews that I have seen here on YouTube. I feel like as you get a hang of using the handbag, it'll be easier for you to both put in the things and take them out as you need them. So as I said, as I go ahead and use her over time, I'll make sure to update you guys on that. So there we have it, you guys. This is the newest baby into my growing little Polene family. I'm so excited to have this piece in my collection. I feel like it's very unique and it's a very different kind of handbag. Now let's get into those clips that I mentioned I was able to get for you guys over in the boutique. I will be doing a voiceover just because I feel like that's going to be best in order for me to give you as much detail as I possibly could. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and I hope you find this part of the video helpful as well. Let me know down below in the comment sections what you think after you've watched all the clips.
All right, so here we are walking over to the boutique. I just wanted to share with you guys really quick a little bit of eye candy. And this is the bag that I was originally going in to purchase. This is the number 8, the mini size. I gotta say, I love how it looks crossbody, but it is such a mission to get in and out of. And I don't like that you cannot remove the crossbody strap. I did also try it in the larger size, which you can see here, and this one I love handheld. I just think that the shape is very unique, very different. Once again, I don't like that you can't remove the strap, just because if I would like to carry it in the crook of my arm, I do have the strap hanging. And just wanted to share with you guys what it looked like crossbody, but in my opinion, it's just a little bit too large. And then here we are with the number 9. This one is in the regular size. I love this bag handheld. I think it's so chic. However, when you do carry it as a shoulder bag, I just feel like it's a little bit overwhelming on my body frame in particular. But handheld, it has to be one of my favorites. Here we also have my sister-in-law demonstrating the number 1 nano in this beautiful green. It looks so stunning on her. Here is the Cyme, you guys, and this is in the smallest size. I think it's a super cute bag. Over the shoulder, it's a little bit too tiny. I would go handheld for this one as well. And then here it is with the sides cinched out. So it does give it a little bit of a larger look, which you can definitely throw it over the shoulder and maybe it'll look a little bit better this way. I did also try on the larger size. Unfortunately, they had none in stock, because if not, I would have definitely gotten this large size. I think it's a great work bag. It definitely can fit a laptop inside. And as you can see, you can also carry it handheld or in the crook of your arm. This one is definitely on my wish list for sure. And then here you can see I'm trying on that number 9 in the mini size. This is in the color I opted to get it in, which is that beautiful taupey color. I feel like this bag goes so well no matter how you style it, whether it's handheld, crook of your arm, or crossbody. They did have 2 other colors just for display purposes. They did not have them in stock. This one here is the chalk color, and then if I'm not mistaken, the other one is in the color camel. I looked like a little dumpling queen trying on all these cute little number 9 minis. I thought it was so funny. So I just wanted to share with you the difference between the regular size and the mini size. The one that I have on the crook of my arm is the larger size, and then the mini is the one that I have crossbody. Now let's talk about the number 10, you guys. I am obsessed. It is definitely top on my wish list at the moment. I think it's such a cool, chic, edgy vibe. It doesn't look small at all, and actually the opening is not as restrictive as I've seen some people mention in the videos. So I really like this one if you're trying to go for something a little bit edgy yet classic. Here I just wanted to share with you the size difference between the number 1 nano and the number 9 mini. So just a little size comparison for you guys to see here. They are both the same color. And then last but not least, we do have the number 7 in the size mini. This one is so cute. I think it's such a great night out bag. It barely fits anything, so keep that in mind. My iPhone Pro Max does not fit inside, and I think the smaller phones might fit, but then you have very limited space for anything else. Just probably like a card holder, probably a lipstick, a lip gloss, and that's about it. But I just think that this one is so cute. It's a very different take on like a night out bag. And then here we have the Polene number 1 micro, which I also want to add. I just think it's such a fun little bag to just carry around on a day out maybe. And then I wanted to share with you guys what their wallet looks like, because I feel like the pictures online are very limited. So this one is like a trifold. It has a total of four card slots, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that is correct, 4 card slots. And then it also has a little zipper compartment and another slot in the back. Here is their newest edition that they just recently released. It is like this Polene Number 9, and I personally am not a fan, but just wanted to share with you. It is a little bit larger than the Number 9 mini, as you can tell.
Alright guys, so that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed all the clips that I was able to get for you in the boutique. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if I shared a bag that you were kind of considering, or a bag that you had in your mind. If I was able to help you into finalizing your decision or steer you away from actually adding that piece into your collection. I want to know everything that you thought about this video. It helps me out into what kind of content you guys are enjoying and like to see. So in the future, I can continue creating this type of content for you. If you are new here, please consider subscribing down below. I was actually analyzing my analytics the other day, and 80% of you keep coming back to watch my videos, which I absolutely am grateful for, but are not subscribed. So take a quick minute, click that subscribe button. It really would mean the world to me. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you for taking some time out of your day to watch today, and I hope to catch you guys all in my next one. Bye everyone.